Hello everyone, this is SLR time. Today I present to you the unboxing of the Sony A7R Mark IV. Now I've been waiting for this camera quite a bit because this is the first camera, mirrorless camera with 61 megapixels. ISO, that's kind of standard, then 100 to 32,000, 10 frames per second at 61 megapixels. We have 567 autofocus points, real-time AF, that was previously only available in the A9. Then we have real-time tracking, silent shooting, 5-axis in-body stabilization. Also you have dual slot SD cards, touch focus, hybrid lock gamma, and the super fast USB 3.2 USB-C connection. Sadly, this is my old the VGC3EM for the A7R3 that you see here. Sadly, that's not compatible with this camera. I'm just gonna see how it fits. Anyway, all right, we'll try this out. All right, so let's go to unboxing. Clean this up a little bit. So I'm challenging myself today because I want to record this video in one take. Because my YouTube game is not the best. I'm trying to get better. So you'll probably notice I'm a little winded because I was running up and down the stairs. Anyway, we got some instructions, reference guides, accessories guides. This is probably in French. Anyway, interchangeable lens camera with the E-mount instruction manual. Alright, not gonna go through that. Okay, what's over here? We have now, it seems, that standard port protector. Okay, with the HDMI thing, we can try to see how we can attach this. And a USB-C to USB Type A cable. Alright, what else is in here? Okay, on this little small pocket here, we got the charger. Well, that's nice. We also have a strap and a power cable. Okay, over here. Ooh, that's where the camera is. Alright, it looks like that's it. There's nothing else here. Let's open the camera. Now this retails for 3,500 bucks. And here it is. Sony A7R Mark IV. Right from the get-go, let me take this off. Let's compare it to the R3. This is the R3, R4. Looks like the button layout is almost the same. Just small changes here on the joystick. Screen size appears to be the same, I guess. Yeah, it seems that this joystick here has a little better feel. Let's look at this side. Alright, so side by side, they almost look the same. Let's look at the grip here. See, the grip has a little thing here, the little like kind of set pin that goes right here, and this one's moved. So from here they moved it to this side. Battery door seems a bit different too. Over here with this battery door, you I think had an option of taking this out and powering it with the door closed. I don't see that option here anymore. To power the unit with the door closed. Okay. Maybe they relocated that to the grip, so now I have to buy the grip to have that feature. Actually didn't even read about that when you're just looking at it now. Okay, I'll worry about it later. Let's see. Come on. Okay. Anyway, it still uses the same batteries. Where's the battery? Okay. Oh, we missed the battery here in this package. It was on the side here. Okay, that's where the battery was. Okay. Anyway, going in the front here, looks almost identical. If you can judge the size, maybe a tiny bit bigger. Let's put it right here on this quadrant. Let me show you for reference. Okay, right here. Now let's put this one right next to it. Yeah, they seem about the same size. The grip seems a bit more pronounced. Seems like it's a bigger grip, more substantial. Yeah, definitely the grip seems a lot more forward. Okay, on the top here, we have some change in the dials. Okay, now this has a lock option. Okay, on off, C1, C2, steady shot inside. Okay, maybe we go over a little bit of specs. So price-wise, the old one used to be, I think, $3,300. The new A7R Mark IV is $3,500. If you buy it with the kit lens, the 24-105 lens, that's, I believe, $4,700. And if you buy it with the 2.8 lens, the 24-70, then it's a whopping $5,700. All right, both of these that have that 5-axis in-body image stabilization. This has 61 megapixels. I think the old one had 42 CMOS sensors. So we get a whopping 567 point autofocus in this baby right here with the Bion's X image processor. Also, we're able to shoot here the 4K 30p with the S-Log3 gammas. Okay, I don't think they have a 60p available, which is a shame. All right, and I wonder how much cropping we get if we shoot in 4K. All right, let's put this on. It's getting crowded in here. Okay, let's turn it on. See what happens. English, set date, Chicago, daylight savings, and what's today? Friday, September 13th. Awesome. A little nervous here. 3:24. I always set the date and time correctly because that helps me sync up with the with everything else. Oh, so enter doesn't work here. I gotta scroll down and hit enter. Seriously. So the touch screen does seem limited, at least the first impression. Alright, we got nothing here. Well, this lens sucks. Okay, now we're set at 60 megapixel. Battery right out of the box is at 45%. Let's see here. You can see any cropping. This is what we see. How about the cropping is in 4K? Now let's change it to video. Okay, let's go to the menu. We do get 120p. A lot of options here for video. Let's go to 4K. So 4K we have options for 100 megabits 30p, 60 megabits 30p, 100 megabits 24. So let's go 2400 megabits. Let's see how much cropping we get here. Yeah, seems a lot here. Okay, so we're gonna hold it about the same height. So So this is what we get here. I'm gonna change it into so 2 clicks. Yeah, you see how much difference there is in the crop. So there's in photo mode, 4K mode. Yep. Almost seems like a 2 times zoom. Anyway, yeah, you get like this. One thing that's really nice here is that you get this live autofocus that's borrowed from the A9. Size-wise, it actually seems better to hold this one than this one, especially because the grip is now more substantial. I still don't know why Sony keeps making these cameras so small. I wish they made this a little bit bigger still. Look at the size of the LCD. That's just my complaint here. It's like so tiny. Make a body a little longer, fill this up, put in like a 4-inch, very nice touchscreen. That would be awesome. Alright, let's see if what we see through a viewfinder. Wow, that seems very, very sharp. Wow, that's insane. Well, let me tell you that the viewfinder is amazing. It's just my first impression. It looks like really bright and clear. Oh, let's look at the ports. Okay, moving on to the ports. So now we have here the microphone, headphone jack, and an HDMI port, which is so tiny. For sure you want to use this or some other ways of saving your precious ports. This is just like super tiny. I hate these cables. So that means right here that this is it's gonna be a challenge for video, guys. Then we have a USB-C connection. I think you can charge through that as well, and a seems like a USB micro USB. What we have here is a flash sync port. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to shoot like something like a time lapse on a slider, I think you have to use that multi for triggering the camera. Also on top we have an intelligent shoe as always with the basic release here. If you get these additional accessories like an XLR or a viewfinder, external viewfinder, then all connects through this. On the bottom we have a standard quarter 20. Nothing else here, just very smooth. Yeah, like nothing. Okay, startup time. Okay, let's turn it off, turn it on. Oh, seems to be ready in like 3-4 seconds. So let's turn it off. And turning it back on. 1, 2, 3, about 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, if we open the side ports, the camera doesn't shut down. On Canon, the whole camera always shuts down when you change the ports, when you open the slots. So slot 1, you have SDXC2, and same with slot 2, and I think the memory stick also works with these as well. Both of them actually. Microphones, looks like they located them here. Not sure what this was on the old one. Anyway, they show you the plane of the image sensor is right here. So if you're doing any stitching, panoramas, or measured nodal points, you measure up to this point. Okay. All right. So yeah, right away we can see that this will not fit, so we're not even gonna try this. I'm gonna take it out, shoot some images over the weekend. I'm planning on making a video next week about this Mark IV camera, and then I'll show you some samples. I'll upload them, and you can judge for yourself the image quality compared to this. Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the Sony A7R Mark IV. If you like it, please rate, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.